Hello everyone, welcome back to this lecture. In this lecture we will be working on copy constructor. In our previous classes you have studied about constructors and destructors. So let's start. C++ copy constructor. As the name suggests that we will be copying the values of a same constructor and create another constructor. Copy constructor is a type of constructor which is used to create a copy of an already existing object of a class type. The copy constructor is a constructor which creates an object by initializing it with an object of the same class which has been created previously. So, as I told you, the copy constructor is a constructor that will be copying all the values and creating a new object in which you will be storing all the values. So let's move to code blocks to have a hands-on practical on copy constructor. So let's start with the coding. We have included the header files. Now we'll be creating a class as CC constructor. Okay. Now I will be writing private. I will be making some of the variables as private, integer x comma y. Okay. Now I will be writing public to make some of the variables public so that it can be accessed outside. So CC constructor. This is a parameterized constructor, we can say. So x1 and integer y1. Okay. So I have created a constructor over here, that is a public constructor in which x is equal to x1 and y is equal to y1. Okay. After that I will be creating a copy constructor. So what is the syntax of copy constructor? Copy constructor, you will be writing same as the name of the class you are having. After that you will be writing constant, that is a keyword with the name of same class, and then ampersand sign. Then you will be writing the object name. So we will be creating an object name as copy one. Okay. So the syntax is, first is the data type, then comes the class name, ampersand, and then the object that we are creating. So what this will be doing, x is equal to, using the object copy1, I will be copying the values of x into x. Okay. Similarly for y is equal to, I will be copying the values of y into y. Okay. Now I will be creating a function for displaying. In display I will be writing cout x y and end of the line. Okay. So our class has been finished over here. Now we will be creating the main function, integer main. I will be calling the class and create an object obj1, and I will be passing the values 10, 20. Similarly, I will be creating another constructor, creating an object 2, and I will be writing obj is equal to obj, ob2 is equal to obj. So I will be copying all the values of the first constructor to the second constructor using the objects. Now I will be writing cout normal constructor okay. Then I will be using the function obj dot display. Okay. Similarly, cout copy constructor which I am having, I will be writing ob2 dot display. Okay. So I have completed the program over here. So I will be telling you that we have created a constructor, that is a class Over here the class name is CC constructor. I have some private variables x and y. Then I have some public function. This is a constructor over here with the name same, class type constructor, integer x1 and integer y1. So over here x is equal to x1, y is equal to y1. So over here I will be creating a copy constructor, constant copy constructor ampersand copy1. Over here we are having the object. So this will be copying the values of x to the x variable of the copy constructor. Similarly for the y, I have created a void display function which should be helping us to display. I have created a main function with two objects obj and obj2 which is equal to obj. Similarly, I will be cout normal constructor and copy constructor. Now I will be compiling and running the program. So you can see the first normal constructor is having a value of 10 and 20, where the copy constructor is also having the value of 10 and 20. So we have created two constructors, one is the normal one and another one is a copy constructor. Thank you. In our next lecture, we will be completing about the friend function.